My name is Pranjal Barodkar. I am in SY BCom. I am in RA Poddar right now. So everyone has this one inner voice inside us which goes unheard, which is not respected, which is not given the amount of attention which it needs at that time. And most of the times we just ignore it, saying that it is just something stupid. But and that is the same thing which I did. To be honest, from the beginning of this sessions or workshops or whatever, I always had a resistance in me that I don't want to do it, that this is stupid, no, this doesn't make sense. No, the logical brain inside of me was opposing each and everything, but something in me still wanted to get healed. Okay, so what happened was, like, during this session, ma'am quoted one line, which is, whatever you resist persist. So I believe right now in that line. And if there is something like a key takeaway which I'm going to take with me, is that i'll I'll learn to face my fears. I'll learn to face whatever my anger is, failure or whatever. I'll learn to face it rather than running from it. And obviously I'm very grateful for whatever I have learned from this entire session. Even though at first you might find it stupid, you might find it, no, it doesn't make sense, but once you get into this, you'll know that this has to serve some very higher purpose. And somewhere it doesn't only heal you at a emotional level, or but it heals you at many levels. It's like you won't even realize that how subconsciously you are doing something which you thought that you might be, like, maybe that I at this moment I might not find the words to express my feelings, but after doing this workshop I feel secured. I feel that my all my questions has met the answers. And now somewhere that I have that strength in me, that when I go outside I might face my fear, I might face my challenges with the strength. So I would really like to thank Dr. Mugdha ma'am, Kiran sir obviously, and Cosme Advocacy for letting me give this opportunity to learn more and embrace more about myself, and letting me meet that very core and very childlike part of me which was departed from me. So thank you.